Hello, Sean. This is my recording of how I would factorize two equations. Since I was in ONU and took AP classes, I didn't have time to do this earlier. Thank you for giving us time. And so this is my attempt. So the objective here is to divide this first term and this last term into two other terms that would give us that when we multiply those terms would give us this number. For example, 2x and 2x. If we multiply 2x times 2x, we get this thing. And that's the first step. Divide this into two things that multiply together, give us 3, or 4x squared, etc. It depends on the term. Now, the next step to know if we decided these terms correctly is to multiply these in cross. So let's say 2x times 1 is equal to 2x, and 2x times 3 is equal to 6x. It's as simple as this, really. Now we add the results, and we get 8x. And this is how we know we're correct. In this case, 8x is the middle term. And if this happens, we know we use the right numbers, and these are, well, the right equations. So now we just simply add the signs. If we were to use negative signs here or here, we would put them, but since everything's positive, it is left positive. So we put 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 1. Perfect. Now the last step is to solve this as if it were equal to 0. So we put 2x plus 3 equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now we simply solve for these equations. I'm going to do this real quick because I'm left with no time. So in this case, this first one is minus 3 over 2. That's equal to x1. There's always two solutions for a quadratic equation. And the other one is minus 1 half is equal to x2. If I'm not mistaken, that should be correct. And so we should proceed with um, the second equation. In this case, we do the same process. We separate this term into two other terms that multiplied give us the original term. So 3x and x is the only configuration here that uses whole numbers. And this 8, we can put it as 2 times 4. And that's perfect for us in this case. We do the same, we multiply here. 3x times 2 is equal to 6x. And x times 4, 4x. We get 10x. This is our confirmation. We see it's correct. It matches with the middle term. And now we simply add the signs. So 3x plus 4, we use positive 4, and x plus 2. Now we simply solve, as it were, for 0. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, doing this real quick, this is our first result, and the second result is this one. Let me check that everything's correct. I believe it is, so these would be the results. These and these. Of course, we get two results for every equation, and that's how I usually factorize, although a bit faster. Thank you, Sean.